Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm your vegan chef, and today I have a fantastic recipe to keep you cool and refreshed all summer long. We're making a chilled gazpacho soup. It's light, vibrant, and absolutely delicious. Gazpacho is a classic Spanish cold soup that's perfect for hot weather. It's made with fresh raw vegetables and is incredibly easy to whip up. So let's dive right in. First, we're starting with 6 ripe tomatoes. These are the star of our soup, so make sure they're nice and juicy. Just chop them up roughly. Our blender will do the rest of the work. Next, we have a refreshing cucumber, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 green bell pepper for a bit of sweetness and crunch. And don't forget a small red onion for that extra zing. Chop everything into chunks. No need to be precise. Now let's get all these beautiful veggies into the blender. This is where the magic happens. We'll add 2 cloves of garlic for a little kick. If you're not a huge garlic fan, you can always start with 1 clove and adjust to taste. Pour the mixture into a large bowl, and now it's time to add our liquids. 3 cups of tomato juice, which will enhance the tomato flavor and add some body to the soup. Next, a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil for richness, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar for that tangy kick, and the juice of 1 lemon for freshness. Stir it all together. Cover the bowl and pop it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and makes the soup wonderfully refreshing. All right, our gazpacho is chilled and ready. Give it a good stir. Look at that vibrant color. And for a finishing touch, garnish with fresh basil leaves and a drizzle of olive oil. It's that simple. This is so refreshing and flavorful. Perfect for a hot summer day. I hope you give this chilled gazpacho a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious vegan recipe. See you next time, and happy cooking!